Welcome to another episode of Quick Tips with Kamay. Today's episode will last a little longer because I want to show you how to make a bed hotel style in 5 minutes or less. Are you ready? Now, I want to give you some tips along the way. And the first tip is your fitted sheet. That's the first sheet that you're going to use. Okay? And when you're putting it around the corner, you'll notice the elastic. So that's how you'll know, because you have a flat sheet and then you have the fitted sheet. Right? Yeah. And when you're doing it, guys, you just want to pull it tight. You see how I'm pulling it tight? So where the corners meet and the sheet looks nice and neat. And then you come in at the bottom and just tuck it. Tuck it in. Then come to the top and pull. So any wrinkles that you may have, it'll just smooth itself out when you tuck it in and make it tight. Look at that, nice and neat. Then you want to use your flat sheet. Now your flat sheet will not have any elastic, but it will have a board at the top. And that's how you'll know the top from the bottom. And what you want to just do is just fan it a little bit. Give it a little nice. And while you're doing that, guys, try to measure that side with this side. And then you pull it up at the top. Pull it down at the bottom. Come around. Do the same. And see? You can just kind of level it. If you see it's a little shorter on this side, you just pull it. It's no biggie. See that? Then you come down. And now it's even. You see that? Now it's even. You don't want no riffles, so you just take it and smooth it. Now, guys, you can either leave your sheets hanging at the bottom like it is, or you can tuck it in. Now, I like to tuck mine in because I don't want my sheets coming loose at night. And then, do that. And I got a hospital corner going on, or a military corner. And we do the same on the other side. See that? Is that coming along nice, guys? Now your pillow. You just want to flatten it like this. Take the corners, fold it over, you see? And then you repeat it on the other side. And what you want to do is when you lay your pillows, guys, you don't want that gap in the middle. When you walk into a hotel, you always see the pillows meet together, right? Okay? If you have a lot of pillows like me, then you'll use your shams. Sometimes shams will come with your comforter set or a bed and bag. And you'll see them laid down in a hotel like this, or you'll see them like that. If you don't have a lot of pillows, guess what? You can do this in no time. Okay, I have accent pillows, so I'm going to throw these on here. Give it a little karate chop that I learned from HGTV. And then I put my accent pillow. Smooth that. Give it a little karate chop. And last but not least, your blanket. And you come to the foot of the bed. And there you have it, guys. Now, wouldn't you want to come home to this? If I can do it, you can do it. Stay tuned for another episode of Quick Tips with Kamay. Stay safe, have a positive day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.